Before earth, there was Jannah, a place untouched by pain, untouched by fear, untouched by death. Allah placed Adam in paradise, a world beyond human imagination. Gardens glowed with divine light. Rivers flowed beneath crystal paths. Peace filled every breath. Adam lived in perfection. Yet even in paradise, something felt missing. Adam walked through the gardens, observing the beauty around him, remembering the honor Allah had given him. But deep inside, he felt alone. Allah, in His mercy, created companionship. From Adam himself, Allah created Hawwa. She was not created to dominate him, nor to be beneath him, but to walk beside him. When Adam saw Hawwa, loneliness faded. Connection was born. Together, they lived in peace, worshipping Allah and enjoying the blessings of paradise. But paradise also carried a test. One command, one boundary, and the test of obedience had begun. Paradise existed before earth. Follow history recap.